Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are at the Detroit Auto Show, and here we are with the first public debut of the new 2026 Dodge Charger SIXPACK RT. So this is the 420 horsepower twin turbocharged inline 6 version of the Hurricane in the new Dodge Charger. So again, 420 horsepower, standard output. Very nice car. The one thing about this car is it just did win North American Car of the Year. Obviously the six-pack is the first gas variants of the Dodge Charger. Overall, same looks as the Daytona, except for now they don't have 325 rubber, they have 305s. But super nice car. This is a plus model. You can tell it's a plus right off the bat because it's got the bigger screen inside, and it has this DRL that goes all the way across. But absolutely gorgeous car. Interiors is still the same as the Daytona, but you can see it does have Brembos up front with the plus pack or the track package here. So it does have Brembos up front. 4 pistons in the back, 6 pistons up front. It's got the hatch. Overall, super nice interior.
Good morning. I'm John Vincent. I'm the Senior Editor for Vehicle Testing at U.S. News and World Report, and I have the honor of presenting our first award, the North American Car of the Year. And without further ado, the winner is... The winner of the North American Car of the Year is the Dodge Charger. We'd like to have Matt McClure, Dodge Ram CEO, come up to accept the award.
Thank you so much. The entire team is so gracious to accept this award. Thank you to the entire jury. Made up of so many of a broad background that truly makes this thing special. Without you, we wouldn't be able to get our message out there. We truly appreciate it. This is the 8th generation Charger, which celebrates its 60th anniversary this year as a nameplate. And as we say, it's not about revolution, it's about evolution and truly redefining what performance stands for. Thank you to the entire team back in Auburn Hills, the engineering team, the brand teams, the design teams, the manufacturing team across the river in Windsor. We're excited to get the word out and start selling these. And thank you to our dealer body for your support, and it's gonna be a great year for Charger. Thank you.
Everybody's talking about is the Dodge Charger winning North American Car of the Year for 2026. Now the very interesting thing is we got the news here talking, but the big deal is that this is the very first introduction of the RT six-pack. So this is the 420 horsepower model that is finally making it to production. This is the 2-door, and this will be reaching dealerships very, very soon. So yeah, this is the first time we've actually seen the RT in production form in the public. I mean, obviously, if you follow the channel or Mopar Insiders, we've shown you a lot of spy images and prototypes testing, but this is the first time that we've actually seen this car.